So, hey guys, well today, welcome to my bake a cake video, part 1. So today I'm just gonna do stuff like people or something like pranking and stuff. I'm also gonna be funny today. So, but first, what I will do is drop a bomb on this person. Well, a cake bomb to turn cake. For Ducky Powers for the motherland. What the? That's not. For the motherland. Come on. Yeah, come on.
How much gold can an old man carry?
For the land we lost for the shame of the last war. For my father who the emperor killed. If gold is not enough, I will give you blood. Sharpen your swords. Our time has come.
Hey. Oh, hey. Well, welcome to my video.
Over there. The next garrison.
So now I make YouTube videos. Well, I make YouTube videos. Oh my god! Oh my! You are TV! Yeah! Yes. Okay, I'm trying to keep a straight face, but yes. Oh my god! I think I'm just gonna leave. Wait, what's he doing? What the heck is he doing?
I sensed it the moment I met you.
Well,
You see, I have a secret.
is there something wrong? Ah! He's trying to shoot me! Ah! Oh my! He tried to shoot me! He's trying to shoot me!
Follow your father's legacy. But she's powerful, Roger. Why do you hide?
Then go away.
Go away! You careless murderer! Just kidding. See if she can catch up to me. How did she get there so fast?
That she pervades the universe and all living things. We are all one.
What a...
Only the blessed
Whew.
will connect us deeply to his cheek.
Well, that was close.
Triumvirate was the
That was close.
but on fire with it.
No, wait. Oh, whoops. Oh, that was close. Oh, no. Don't you...
Finish this last one. See? Now it fell down.
Sorry, that was just my mom. Yeah. Shoot it. Yeah. Wha. Yeah. Shoot.
4 ounces.
Yeah, shoot it.
1,000 pounds.
What just happened? This is so much madness. What is happening? I'm gonna hit her. Take this. Bomb you. I'm in a war. I turned him into poop. Lol. 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 No. Nostalgia. Hey, get back here. Yeah, that's right. Run away. Run away. You know what? Forget it. Yes, I ate him. Revenge. That was a funny voice. Okay, sorry. Hey. Hey, look at bad noobs. Die. Die, noobs. Die. Yay! Okay, guys, that's enough for today's video. There'll be a part 2 soon coming on. Later!